All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Everything from mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit cards to get rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff. Today we're going to be talking VVS Finance. Yep, this cryptocurrency is up right this second, pretty good amount. We're going to kind of go over to their website, go over to their Twitter, find a little bit about, do a little deep dive. Also, cryptocurrency is in a hiring frenzy. So cryptocurrency, different opportunities are hiring right now. And guess what? You just may be the right fit. So you want to kind of check that out too. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and yep, that's right, one day even own some cryptocurrency. When we're all done, we'll do a little price prediction for VVS Finance. Go over there. Let's go ahead and check it out. All right, here, VVS Finance, 435 on CoinMarketCap. It's literally up 29% right this second in the last 7 days. Fantastic. Clicking it. So in the last 24 hours, it's down about 2%. There's 4 zeros and a 33.57, so we'll come back and do a little price prediction on that. Checking the last 7 days. Last 7 days, this cryptocurrency is just climbing. It was down here at the bottom. It kind of climbed up, stabilized a little bit, and it's really, really jumped up. For right now, being up 29%, what's going on with VVS Finance? Well, on the Twitter account here, it says your gateway to decentralized finance movement. Happy Year of the Tiger to all the VVS miners. Happy Luna Year. It says 3-pool insight allows liquidity providers to access personal, insightful statistics to monitor their crystal farm performance and access to 2 categories of information: overall liquidity information and pair deposit stats. So pretty good information going on right there for everybody. Second thing, you got smart LP removal allows liquidity providers on VVS to manage your exit strategies by setting conditions on when to execute the LP removal. Users will still continue earning VVS rewards while waiting for the orders to be executed. Fantastic. All right, over here at their website, it says very, very simple DeFi trading for all. Your gateway to decentralized finance movement. Take control of your finance and earn sparkly VV rewards. Learn more about VVS Finance. Obviously, you can connect your wallet right there. It is kind of bling bling there. It's kind of neat. It says, we aim to low DeFi simple and within the reach of billions. It has low fees, fast transactions, and competitive earnings. So you got 3 different things. Shiny yield farm opportunities. It streams your passive income from multiple your assets, the rarest and brightest yield farms in VVS farms. The second thing here in the middle, clear incentives for all. Token economics and incentives built for long-term value creations. Our minds will always be bountiful. And then hardened security and governance, designed with security in mind and community governance in heart. Platform governance will pass gradually to the community. And it says right here, it says, choose your path to join the DeFi movement today. Over to the right, it says, be a VVS miner. Your passive income. Crystallize your VVS tokens. Staking for a fixed amount to earn more VVS tokens. Stake and forget, that's simple. In the middle here, we got B liquidity providers, low minimums. Supply a token pair to receive liquidity, provide LP tokens. Collect transaction fees and farm shiny VVS rewards. Over to the left, be a DeFi trader. Swap instantly. Instant swap tokens with low fees and slippage. Keep your eye out for new pairs and new token listings. So far, so good. The VVS Finance is looking pretty good. We got 29% up in the last 7 days. Everybody's liking that for sure. All right. Cryptocurrency is hiring everywhere. You may just be a perfect fit for cryptocurrency jobs. Let's go ahead and check this out. And you just click it, and it kind of tells you about the stock. This one's this crypto, $19.72. We do talk about stocks on this show too. AMC, Gamestop, all kinds of things. But again, you can click any of these bubbles. It tells you what the price of it is. Adam's right here. Uniswap, it's trading at $11.81. Tells you the market cap. Tells you it's the 24th volume. FTT, which is the FTX token. All right, cryptocurrency is in a hiring frenzy, and you might just be a fit. In a bold new world, and And cryptocurrency gains mainstream cut creed, the sizzling gold rush is hiring. According to the Indeed report, search for careers in cryptocurrency and blockchain, the technology which supports it, have spiked. The posting for careers in the field have jumped 118% since July of 2021. Says the hottest trends and the short-term growth opportunities are working with non-fungible tokens, NFTs, gaming, and anything related to the metaverse. So if you're going to work in the metaverse, if you're going to work with NFTs or gaming, that's going to be big. Cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Ethereum, and more. A worldwide digital currency represented by virtual and physical tokens. They are secured by cryptography and don't rely on banks. Instead, currency in stored digital wallets. It's worth variety like the currency. The market is open 24/7. It can be traded around the clock. Cryptocurrency relies on blockchain technology, essentially digital distributed public ledger. NFTs are also stored on the blockchain, are associated with digital files like photos, artwork, videos, and audio. Take a look at the Bitcoin there at a different color. It says the blockchain and cryptocurrency industry has been around for 10 years, but they're still considering early in the grand scheme of things. All right. Pretty important there. Cryptocurrency is hiring in a hiring frenzy. So, yep, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. All kinds of cryptocurrency jobs are opening up. You may want to check it out. We did an article the other day. A girl's making $300,000 after 10 months doing NFTs, and she learned about it a month earlier, and she just kind of taught herself. Fantastic. Also talked about a girl on Twitter that she's making $8,600 a month after about a year doing Twitters with affiliates and all kinds of different things. So cryptocurrency is here. That type of marketing is here. You may want to check it out. All right, let's head back over to VVS Finance and do a little price prediction. Again, popping over at the crypto bubbles here one more time here. You can click H bar, tells you where it's at. You can click 1 inch. I mean, Argo. It's kind of a neat program. All right, back over at the website, VVS Finance. VVS tokens is at the core of the VVS Finance. It talks about value, stake for reward, the bread and butter for our miners, stake VVS and earn VVS. Well, the bread and butter. That sounds pretty neat. Utilities, stash to join coming soon. Governance, hold to vote coming soon. Then you got the white paper right there. All right, everybody, taking a look here. What's our price prediction? There's 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros and a 33.55. I'm thinking the token could get to 4 zeros and a 4000. Go up a little bit. The token is on the uptick right this second, up 29%. All our information is for educational purposes only. But this token is number 436. Want to put it on your radar? Check it out. It's up 28%. Right above it, our chain is actually up 66%. All right, everybody. Cryptocurrency is definitely here to stay. There's all kinds of companies hiring in cryptocurrency. You may be an NFT person that could actually mint them. You actually could do coding. You can do all kinds of different things. You want to check it out. There's all those bounties, too, from different companies that will pay you a bounty if you find an error in their code. So, I don't know. All right, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Click right here to see our most recent video. This is a bonus video today. Hey, everybody, we'll see you tomorrow.